Welcome to General Knowledge Hub. This is Sai Krishna Reddy. Today let's deal with India and its neighboring countries. First coming to Pakistan. Actually India is partitioned in 1947. Before that Lord Mountbatten was the Viceroy of India, that is, he is the last Viceroy, and he called Ratcliffe, a Irish judge, and he was an old one and he is facing many health issues at that time, and he was given 3 days time to draw the line from here to here and around the here to here, and he drawed that in 3 days, but later it became ambiguity, because in 3 days what he can do. And according to Indian Parliament and Indian Constitution, Indian Parliament, the actual line of dividing India and Pakistan is Ratcliffe line. It is West Pakistan at the time of partition, and it is East Pakistan at the time of partition. Here also the same line, Ratcliffe line, divides India and Bangladesh. Bangladesh got independence in 1971. This is also Ratcliffe line, and this is Ratcliffe line, dividing India and Pakistan, dividing India and Bangladesh. And next coming to China. According to Shimla Accord 1914 between Tibetan government and British India, a McMahon line. McMahon was the representative of British India. A McMahon line was drawn, and Tibetan government accepted that. And later Tibet was annexed by China. Now Tibet comes under China. China never accept this line as border of between India and China. So it is always a dispute, and this Ratcliffe line also always a dispute, because Pakistan occupied 1/3 of Kashmir, and it is a pending case in UNO. So line of control is the present border, never accepted by India, never accepted by Pakistan. Here also McMahon line in 1962 war, China occupied Aksai Chin, and India never accepted the occupation of China, but presently both are separated by LASC, line of actual control. And third country that is bordering with India is Nepal. And this boundary is not named in, and it is a free boundary, and anyone come and go without passport. And another country, that friendly nation of India, is Bhutan. This boundary was also not named, and anybody can come and anybody can go, and it's a free boundary. And this is the boundary with Myanmar. Capital of Myanmar is Naypyidaw. Capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka. Currency is Taka. Capital of Nepal is Kathmandu. Headquarters of SAARC located here. Capital of Pakistan, Islamabad. And capital of China, Beijing. And older name is Peking. And for Myanmar, Rangoon used to be capital, and its newest name is Yangon, but Naypyidaw is presently the capital of Myanmar. Here India and China, India and Sri Lanka is divided by Gulf of Mannar, Park Strait and Park Strait. India and Maldives. Maldives is a group of islands in the Indian Ocean divided by 8-degree channel, and Maldives capital is Malé. Sri Lanka is also known as a single drop in the Indian Ocean. Its capital is Colombo or Jayawardhanapura. Coming to states bordering with Pakistan, and we had a trick. We had a trick, that is GPRS we use for navigation. Gujarat, Punjab, Rajasthan. As for Srinagar, now this lost its statehood. Gujarat, Punjab, Rajasthan and Srinagar. These states have boundaries with Pakistan. Coming to Nepal. The states surrounding Nepal are, and it is given by strict tip B square U square S, that is bus square by S. So simply remember B square U square S. B for Bihar, Bengal, W for Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Double B for Bihar, Bengal, Bihar, W for Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, S for Sikkim. So these states border with Nepal. And coming to Bangladesh, the states surrounding Bangladesh are given by a code M square BAT. M for Mizoram and another M for Meghalaya. B for Bengal, A for Assam and T for Tripura. M square B, M square BAT is the trick to remember the states surrounding Bangladesh. M square BAT. Now Bhutan. Simple SAB. This is the trick to remember states surrounding Bhutan. S for Sikkim, A for Assam, A for Arunachal Pradesh, B for Bengal. This is Bengal. SAB is the trick to remember states surrounding Bhutan. And coming to Myanmar, Aruna Mami is the trick to remember states surrounding Myanmar. ARU for Arunachal Pradesh. This is Arunachal Pradesh. Sorry, this is Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh. NA for Nagaland. Mami, MA for Manipur. MA for Manipur. MI for Mizoram. Aruna Mami is the trick to remember states surrounding Myanmar. And the trick to remember states surrounding China is, that is H for Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh. Husa is the trick to remember states bordering with China. Husa is the trick to remember states bordering with China. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked my explanation, please like the video and comment in comment section. Thank you.